Today I'm gonna show you how to delete any software, any program forever without it ever be reinstalled or recovered. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and download IOBit installer. IOBit installer. So after you download and install that, we open that up. Now we're gonna choose what we're gonna delete here. I want to delete the Rhythmic Trader Pro. We can just search here, or we can scroll down to find that. Here. So I want to delete this software from my computer forever. So we mark that in this marking box, and we go to the right. You see this trash can. You're gonna click on it. It says here Rhythmic Trader Pro. Are you sure to install the selected program? Automatically remove residual files. Create a restore point before install. So you just want to fill this box up. Automatically remove residual files so it cannot be recovered, and you go ahead and click install. It may take a few minutes or few seconds, depend about your computer. And after a few seconds, it starts deleting. You see here it's deleting all the files connected to that program, and now it's deleted forever. This is not the paid version, so you can download it for free, but if you want something more advanced, you can you can pay. But for me, it does the work fine using IOBit Installer 15 for free. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.